In front of me is Blackshark Pad 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on microphone at the top right corner. If you can't see it, don't worry, just click on gear button over here. Select voice typing section and activate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner. You can also enable emojis on toolbar. I will explain this one in a second. Now, with this icon here visible, tap on it. Choose while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same button of a microphone. Now my favorite part. Tap on your microphone and select minimize right next to it on the left. Over here. Then select next. Tap on done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To move it around, hold it and drag it. Then place it wherever you want to. If you want to delete text, use this button with an X. If you want to add emojis, that's why we enabled emojis on toolbar, click on this smiley face. Pick any emoji you want. And then close emoji keyboard thanks to this icon of an X at the top right corner. Now, to manage some available options, click on those three lines on the left and pick whatever you wish from this pop-up. And last but not least, to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon, also on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!